Hello, in this video I'm going to be unboxing another FileArmor device. I already took my address off, so let's go ahead and open it up. Now if you see my other two unboxings, this one actually looks like it was packed. Feels like it was packed a lot better than the other two. Wow, this seller actually used real packing material inside of it, instead of just an anti-static bag. Next, let's go ahead and look at the very first device. You may already be able to tell what this is. There it is. It's a Simplex T-bar with the glass break. This is a newer one. I already have a 425130, but this is the newer one. I'm actually not sure what the model is. But the cool thing is it came with an actual real Simplex key. Like not one of the blanks that I have. Like this is actually a real one. So that's pretty cool. And it opens the locks a lot better. And this is... oh, there's a sticker inside there. So this is a better seller than those other two. I will link the seller below. I highly recommend them. These devices are very clean. This is a 2099-9103. I'm not really good with the newer model numbers. So we can go ahead and pull it. Just like so. I'll need to buy some glass, and it looks like they didn't come with a clip, but I said that in the listing though. And here's a view of the back again. It just has two screw terminals. It's a non-addressable device, obviously. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up the second device. And you may be able to tell what this one is too. This is an L series ceiling mount horn strobe. So yeah, this is it. It comes with the mounting bracket. Looks like the seller screwed it down all the way, so I'm going to have to go ahead and unscrew it. Oh, I see. Huh, my other one, I have a chime strobe, a ceiling mount chime strobe, and it does not have this little tiny clip right there, so that's kind of interesting. Wow, this is a lot different than my other one. So this bracket actually looks like a standard bracket, but it is rounded. That's really cool. I think this is one of the newer ones with the more reinforced brackets, because that bracket feels way better than my other L series devices. I have the light gray ones. It's like one of the newer dark gray ones. And here's the inside. This is a PC2WL. It has 8 different settings. Looks like it's set to temporal 3K low. So yeah, we can go and put this back on the base. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.